Before starting our lesson, let me first remind you about classroom precautions, okay? So first one is maintain distance of at least 1 meter between everyone. Increase desk spacing. You see the ground marking and signs. So if you are ready, let's start. So as you see, today's theme is about space colonization, space tourism, and space industry. Okay, my dream is to make space accessible to tens of thousands of people. Who do you think this day belong to?
I think it's Neil Armstrong.
Okay, other is?
Maybe it's because of Michael.
Then?
It can be Michael Scott.
Michael Scott and?
Robert Bacon.
Maybe
Richard Branson.
Good job, Richard Branson. Who is Richard Branson?
He's a leader of Virgin Galactic.
Virgin Galactic, okay. So, what is space exploration?
We understand how our planet operates better due to space exploration. Our different perspective of the planet has allowed us to observe it in unique ways as well. We can see changes in the environment, for example, on a macro scale instead of a micro scale.
Good job, Ricard. So, next question. Would you like to be a space tourist?
We can locate potential dangers ahead of time. Most of the asteroids in our solar system are located between Mars and Jupiter, and the comets are relegated to the fringes of the solar system.
What is space person called? Ajan?
A professional space traveler is called an astronaut.
Okay, good answer. So, how many astronauts have gone to the space? Aruza, please.
553 people have reached the Earth's orbit and 24 have traveled beyond the low Earth orbit.
Okay, good. But who was the first person in space? Amina, please.
On that day in 1961, the Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin first became the first human in the space.
Okay, good answer. So let's continue about learning planets in the solar system of our planet. Okay, so what kind of planet is it? Akiram, please.
I think that it's Venus, and Venus is the second planet of the Earth, and it's named from the Roman goddess of beauty and love.
So let's spin one more time and see what is the next planet. Okay, so please, what kind of planet is it?
It's Neptune, I guess. Neptune is the 8th and the farthest known solar planet from the Sun.
Good answer. So eliminate and let's spin one more time. What kind of planet is it?
I think that's Mars, and Mars is the fourth planet of our solar system. It's cold, dusty and desert world with a thin atmosphere.
What about this planet? Ajan, please.
It is as is our whole planet. The planet is from the sun.
Yes, you are right. The Earth is facing health problem, global health problem. Okay, so let's continue. Spin one more time. What about this planet? And Clara, please.
It is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky.
So the next planet is, please, Aruza?
Maybe it's Mercury. I know that Mercury is a rocky planet, also known as terrestrial planet.
So what kind of planet is it? Amina, please.
I think it's Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system after Jupiter.
So let's see the last planet. What kind of planet is it? Who wants to answer? Aruza, please.
It's Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system, and also is a gas giant planet.
Next task is to watch the video about advanced spacecraft. So you are going to answer 5 questions after that.
Powered by 190 kilopound force Merlin engines, This 229.6-foot-long rocket can carry 50,265 pounds payload. But to go to Mars, Elon thinks we need a much bigger rocket than this. Introducing the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2.
Okay, so let's answer to some questions. Guys, please choose any box over here. Sir. Sir, okay. Also, please answer the question.
So, space is very vast and there are a lot of things unexplored. But I think that scientists' knowledge about space is increasing every day.
Space colonize help us to clean energy and it helps the 21st century. Five.
I think it's something that anyone can do. With a telescope, anyone can begin to explore the outer space. We have taken that concept to a new level with the Hubble Space Telescope, which has made over 1.3 million observations since its mission began in 1990.
What is the next box you want to choose? Second, okay. Iegері, please.
While planet Saturn is an unlikely place for living things to take hold, and satellites like Titan or Enchilada, how to learn about this?
Okay, so let's continue. Next box is 6. Janelle.
The first space exploration make it possible to locate potentially dangerous asteroids and the comets before they would impact the planet, and giving us an opportunity to stop potentially catastrophic chain of events.
So, next box is 7. Inkar.
Scientists have been able to study ozone depletion concerns and the global warming concerns. This information will help us learn about living conditions.
Okay, next one is 8. Sandra, please.
Exploring our system has provided us with valuable information.
So, the last box is the first one. Anina.
In 2017, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, celebrated the 40th anniversary of launching Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. These two small spacecrafts are designed to explore the outer regions of our solar system, visiting planets that had not been visited at the time.
Okay, next task is matching the word with a meaning. Who wants to do this task? Yanazar.
Okay, I think here is meets safety standards. And next one, reusable rockets. And this one, huge amount of time. So I think there is regulatory approval.
Flight time.
I guess had flight time. Okay. Overcome challenges. And last one is plainly experience.
Next task is role play. You've already divided into 2 groups, SpaceX group and Galactic group. Okay, so now let's invite the first group, Elon Musk and his team. Elon Musk and his team.
Will we colonize space?
Yes, with our modern technology and our current state in my company SpaceX, I believe colonizing space is very possible in the future.
How would space colonization benefit humans?
Colonize helps people to clean energy for 21st century.
Why do you think space colonization is important?
In my opinion, space colonization is really vital to our future because I hold a firm belief that there is a life outside of our planet Earth. In my opinion, space colonization is really vital for our future because I hold a firm belief that there is a life outside of our planet Earth.
Why is Earth the only planet that can sustain life?
Why? Because our planet Earth is just made up of creatures like ourselves, humans. It contains oxygen and water and it has multiple layers of atmosphere. So that is the reason Earth is the only planet where the life can be found.
Next group is Galactic, so let's see what you have prepared.
Is it possible to live in Saturn?
While planet Saturn is an unlike place to atmosphere, and I think yes.
Saturn is cold or hot?
So with an average temperature of -288 Fahrenheit, I think that Saturn is a pretty good planet.
Can you tell us interesting fact about space?
Well, I know 3 interesting and crazy facts that you probably didn't know. First is that space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere, so there is no way for the sound to travel. Second fact that I know is that one sun can fit inside approximately 1.3 million Earths. And the last fact is that there is a planet made of diamond. It's densely covered in graphite and diamond.
Okay, let's grade the first group, Elon Musk SpaceX group. How do you grade? What about the second group, Galactic group? How do you grade it? Okay, grammar exercise we'll do on this program. If you have joined myquiz.com, then let's start. So who is the leader today? Jane, Amina, and Aruza. Okay, so we are going to conclude our lesson by doing the tasks on the live worksheets. Grammar task, conditionals, right? So you know that there are first 0 conditional, first, second, third. Let's do the task of the first conditional. I give you 5 minutes. Okay, everybody please stand up and let's do the warming up activity. Because of global health problems, let's hold our breath and check our lungs. Okay, everybody please in. Hold your breath and breathe out. Okay, to bring the paper to the close, everybody please take your green cards and write your opinion about this lesson. What have you learned today? What was familiar for you? What was interesting facts about the space for you? Please write your opinion. Okay, if you have finished writing your ideas about the lesson, please who wants to read? I get on, please.
Interesting lesson, great atmosphere. What could be better?
Okay, thank you.
I learned a lot about space. The lesson went very well, thank you. It was a really interesting lesson for me. I learned that Earth is a small stage in the whole cast of cosmic arena. We still need to explore more about this wonderful space. Thank you.
I received a lot of information about space on our lesson. It was interesting and full of fun.
Okay, so your whole task is to make a project work about space colonization. Please prepare well and have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.